Hold up. Yeah, 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 yeah. I can teach that bitch.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Now look at this, madness the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. Hold the phone. The lonely stoner, Mr. Solo Dolo. He's on the move, can't seem to shake the shade. Within his dreams, he sees the life he made. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep. The girl he wants don't seem to want him to. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. Slow-mo, when the tempo slows up and creates that new. He seems alive though he is feeling blue. The sun is shining, man, he's super cool. The lonely nights, they fade away, he slips into his white nights. He smokes a clip and then he's on the way. To free his mind and searcher, to free his mind and searcher, to free his mind and searcher. Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night, day and night. The lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. At night. At night.
much for watching this video. I might change the setup around just a little bit. I did recently just move, and that's why I have not posted in a minute. So I just want to get everything situated and then record. But it's been a minute since I put out some content. I'm mainly on TikTok, but if you're not following me on TikTok, go ahead and do that now. I do have a couple videos on there with self-portraits anyway. I haven't done any like makeup like videos because it just takes a lot of effort. It's easier to just do a YouTube video than to do a TikTok video, in my personal opinion. I'd rather do different clips and then edit it and put it all together than TikTok, when you gotta like figure out where you want to put it within the song, if that makes sense. So that's what's been going on. But anyway, thank you guys so much again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love you guys. And actually, thank you for the 2 new subscribers that I didn't notice. I didn't notice before, but they ended up commenting on a couple of my other videos. Actually, probably one of my 2 videos ago. But yeah, it's time to start growing, and it's time to, you know, get it together, get this bread, and just be a better person every day. So, and for that, thank you guys. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video. Bye.